Now, Budalangi Member of Parliament Ababu Namwamba's Labour Party will back Jubilee candidate President Uhuru Kenyatta's re-election bid during the forthcoming general election. Youth and Women League leaders made the announcement yesterday in Namwamba's presence, with Labour Party's national chairperson, Professor Julia Ojiambo, acknowledging the same by stating the party's Supreme Council will meet in 2 weeks' time to ratify the same.
With the aspirants on Labour tickets, through our Labour Party aspirant caucus, we have been consulting on various issues, one of which being whether or not the party will field presidential candidates. We have resolved that as a party, and we are the candidates, should in the August 2017 elections support His Excellency Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta for the re-election as the President of the Republic of Kenya. Our resolve is informed by various reasons already shared with the party leadership.
We join our aspirants in requisitioning for a meeting of Labour Party Supreme Council and or National Delegates Conference to endorse the recommendation to support the re-election of President Uhuru Kenyatta in the 2017 general election.